Good morning, everyone. It's about 9 a.m. Eastern Time on Sunday, March 30th, 2025. I just wanted to make a quick morning update before breakfast and church and stuff. I was going to start by looking at the temperature map around the Midwest. We're expecting these storms today and the southern part of the country. You can clearly see this front where warm temperatures and cool temperatures are divided, going from Iowa and Illinois down to Texas. And then right now in that warm sector, we do have plenty of showers to go around, but we're not expecting much. If we see these stick around a little bit longer, that might stabilize the atmosphere a little bit longer, but either way, we're still expecting a pretty big severe weather outbreak. Same thing, we have some showers in Missouri. So looking at the SPC outlook, day one outlook for today, a huge enhanced risk, stretching from basically could be Canada, but Michigan down back into Texas. And then we have several big cities. You can look for yours down here. Detroit, Indianapolis, Columbus, Memphis, Nashville are just some of them. That would also include like Birmingham, Louisville, almost Chicago. And then we just have this little bit of a slight risk surrounding it and marginal. Anywhere in these colors you could see a chance of severe weather today, so you need to be weather aware. Looking at day 2 outlook, this whole system moves onto the East Coast with the same risk tomorrow in a lot of areas. Look for your city or areas nearby. Charlotte, Virginia Beach, Atlanta, Raleigh, Norfolk, Virginia. Hearing that beach is not a good sign because I know it's spring break. A lot of people are on spring break. Students, so watch out if you're at the beaches or traveling anywhere. And then this is a different system, day 3. This bullseye sets up where we already have a slight risk for Kansas City, Omaha, Lincoln, Des Moines, and Overland Park are some of the major cities according to this. So basically from central Illinois over to central to western Kansas. And then looking like even more concerning with that system is the day 4 outlook where we already have this enhanced risk, looking very similar to today from Michigan into Texas. And then that system kind of slows down, almost stalls out, and brings another round of severe weather from Pennsylvania to Texas again. And then after that, we're not seeing any at this time, but 5 days in a row we do not see very often. This looks very dangerous. Please be weather aware when you're seeing this. So looking at models, this is just this morning, and then as we get into this afternoon, you can see some of these scattered showers, but eventually we have this main line of storms set up in Illinois moving into Indiana. We do have a window of some discrete supercells which could rotate and bring that chance of tornadoes even more. Let's get a closer. And then this all bubbles up in Indiana, turns into a line. Further south starts developing a little bit later into the evening. And then we just have this huge line of storms with all threats in play: tornado, wind, hail, as this moves through the overnight, finally taking over in Mississippi and Alabama. Those storms weaken overnight, but we still have a chance of some strong storms. And then tomorrow you can see that moves on to the East Coast where we have a new risk, that other risk of severe weather. I did want to take a quick look. I didn't show this earlier. You saw where those storms are expected to fire up. Our greatest tornado threat is in that dashed area in the yellow where we have a 10% chance. That's where the highest tornado risk is, so definitely need to watch out for that. But anywhere in these colors, remember there's a possibility that you could get some. We have this huge wind risk, Indiana to Arkansas, and then hail risk a little bit farther west where we have these discrete supercells at first, but still, we have this huge task risk. This is just a very large risk of severe weather. A lot of people could get this today, so please stay weather aware. Please have ways to receive warnings, and please have a way to seek shelter if a warning is issued for your area. So I think that covers all I wanted to say. This was just a quick update. Definitely watch other people for more detailed and more live streams and stuff. But hopefully you enjoyed this and just got you a little bit more prepared for what's going to go on for the next few days throughout the country. Thanks for watching and have a great day and be safe.